In China, the machines that will completely transform your agricultural business cost far less than people think. But most Nigerians don't even know this because nobody goes to the source. Well, I went to the source in August, and I'm going back to China again in February 2026. So why am I talking about this? You see, Nigeria's biggest agriculture problem is not land. It's not fertilizer. It's not even funding. It is processing. We have food everywhere, but everything is unprocessed or processed anyhow. Local rice still has stones. Beans have sand. Sesame has dust. Groundnut has rubbish. Egusi has chaff. And yet, the machines that can fix all these are sitting in China. Cheap, available, and high quality. During my trip to China in August, I visited factories. I entered workshops. I touched the machines. I spoke with manufacturers. And when I returned, people started sending me requests for all kinds of agriculture processing machines. Agriculture processing machines like cassava machines, oil press machines, and many more. That was when I realized something important. Nigerians are overpaying for machines that should be affordable. So I have decided that in February 2026, I'm going back to China, not as a tourist, not for content, but to negotiate bulk factory prices for anyone in Nigeria who needs small, medium, or large-scale machines. Because I have visa-free access to China, I can enter the country anytime. Visit your suppliers, check the machines, and make sure you are not cheated. So this is how I plan to make it work and affordable. If many people need similar machines, we buy them together as one group. We load a full 40-foot container, ship everything to Lagos, store it in a warehouse for at least or maximum 1 month, and everyone picks up their machine or gets delivery arranged. No crazy markup, just a small margin to cover our travel, clearing, and logistics. It's that simple, transparent, and direct. I have identified some categories of machines that can change Nigerian agribusiness instantly. Some of them are rice destoners and mini rice mills, sesame seed cleaning machines, cassava processing lines, groundnut oil presses or general oil presses, bean cleaning machines, grain dehullers, palm kernel crackers and separator units, agriculture drones for spraying, fish feed pellet machines, solar dryers and dehydrators, and so many others. So if you need any machine, small, medium, or industrial scale, or even if you are not sure which one is right for your business, fill the machinery request form using the link in the description. If you already have a Chinese company you'll be negotiating with, add their details in the form. I may be able to visit them during my February trip to verify everything for you so you don't get scammed or overcharged. Let's bring affordable, high-quality agricultural machines into Nigeria once and for all. Fill the form. Let's prepare. Let's make February count. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Someone else might find this useful for his own business survival. You can also join our active and vibrant WhatsApp community of agriculture business people. The link is in the description below. Many people are already making deals there as well. So thank you and see you in the next video. Goodbye.